Maniac, and in this video we will learn on how to start an HTML website. That includes how to start the document using basic tags like HTML and head, and especially saving it. So before we go ahead on this video, let us first discuss what is the meaning of HTML. Well, it is a coding language that is used for the content of a website, meaning all the text, paragraphs, and margins that you see in the website. That is done by the coding language HTML. Well, the full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. It is the display of a website, meaning it can't give much power on how to design it. So, if you want to use a specific font, then you will need the help of CSS, which is like HTML's design support. And you'll also need JavaScript in the website to store the information of the website. Like, let's say if someone made an account on Amazon, then JavaScript is how Amazon can store the account details, the credit card details, and some cookies that can tell what is the person's interest. So before we go ahead also, we will need at least one of a code editor like Atom and Visual Studio Code. I have given the links to these downloads in the description given below, so you can check that out at the end of this video. So today we are going to learn about 4 basic tags. The first one being doc type HTML. So if you have a text editor, you can type in this doc type HTML. So what does this doc type HTML do? Well, it tells the browser, I want to run the latest version of HTML. So currently the latest update of HTML, let's say they added new tags, the browser will know that with this tag that they should run that type of HTML. It's not mandatory, but if you want the latest version of HTML, let's say you have to use doc type HTML. But doc type HTML does not have a closing tag, which we'll discuss later in this video. So let's talk about HTML now. So what is the meaning of HTML? Well, it is basically the tags that start an HTML document, meaning all the content of a website has to be placed under the HTML tag. Without HTML tag, the browser will not know if this is HTML or not. So what design, what margins, it all comes under this HTML tag. Unlike doc type HTML, HTML tag does have a closing tag, which is basically the same tag except with a slash. So the browser knows that everything inside these two tags is a part of the HTML document. The reason doc type HTML doesn't actually have this tag is because all it does is tell the browser there's a latest update, and it won't actually specify which part of the website needs the update. If you type doc type HTML, the whole code will be using the latest update of HTML. So now let's type some code inside this HTML tags. So first we have the head. So the head is basically like the starting of an HTML document, like the headings and all. We'll go ahead on that in a later video, but for now let's just learn one of them, like title. So title is basically the name of the tab. So let's say you're using Amazon again, and then you can see in the tab it'll be written amazon.sg or .com or .co.uk. So that is the title of the website. So for now let's just type something like an HTML document. So that will tell the browser that this is the title of my website. So now this is an example of the finalized code we've learned for today. Now how to save this HTML document. Once you've typed on all this code, you can do Command S if you're using a MacBook, or Control S if you're using a Windows laptop, or you can just manually save the document, but you need to type in and .html or .html for the saving thing to know that this is an HTML document. Just like how you do PPT for Microsoft PowerPoint or key for a keynote, same way the HTML and the HTML are used to tell that this is an HTML document. So this is how finalized code will look out. As you can see, the name of the tab will be HTML document. There is not any code or content yet inside the website because we are not actually given anything for the computer to know yet. So this is all we have to know for today. Thank you for watching this video.